Welcome to EEC 1961 Field Experience 2, Planning. My name is Mike Hager and I will be your instructor for the course. I live in Denver, Colorado and have been in the field of ECE for nearly 10 years. I am currently an administrator for a Head Start program. I'm excited to spend the next several weeks working with you guys. I hope you find the course to be engaging and informative. As we begin the course, please take time to familiarize yourself with the course. Please read the information in the course announcements below this video for important class details. I want to highlight a few areas. Please review the course calendar and plan accordingly for each assignment and the live classroom session. All assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on the due date. Per college policy, there is a 10% deduction for each day that an assignment is late, including discussion, initial posts, and responses. This course goes by really fast. Please reach out to me if you are struggling at any point in the course so I can help you try not to fall behind in the class. Since this is a field experience class, your time spent in the classroom is critical to passing the course. Please review all assignments ahead of time and plan accordingly. All 30 hours of field experience must be completed and documented by the last day of the course. If all 30 hours are not completed, no credit for field experience will be given and you will not pass the course. Please be sure to check your course messages regularly, as this is how I will reach out to you if I need to discuss a matter with you personally. I will be reaching out to you regarding any late assignments or information on how you can improve in the course. My goal is for each of you to succeed in the course, and I am here to help you. Please reach out to me at any time with any questions. I'm here to support you and help you succeed. I look forward to a wonderful 5.5 weeks with you all.